Hi guys, this is Moto G53 5G and today we are going to review it. Let's start with the unboxing, and first opening the box you will find one smartphone, that is Moto G53. After that there is some other content in the box as well, just like some papers that you can read it. After that there is one SIM ejector tool as well, one big 10-watt USB type A charger and USB type A to type C cable. Now we are going to discuss the smartphone, but before that don't forget to press the subscribe button and like button. Guys, smartphone look and design is very beautiful. You will find flat surface at the back and Moto branding in the center, and at the top left side you will find dual camera setup in one boxy ring, and with that there is one flashlight as well. So overall back and frame is made by plastic, but it's look like very good material. And if we are going to discuss ports and button, on right side you will find power button and volume rockers as well, and power button you will find fingerprint sensor as well. And on top side there is one hole that is candy noise cancellation mic, and on left side there is SIM slot in which you can use one SIM card and one memory card, or otherwise two SIM card as well. And if you will go at the bottom you will find 3.5mm jack, one mic, type C port and speaker grill as well. So overall frame thickness is also very less, it is around 8.2mm, and the weight of smartphone is 183 gram roundabout. So due to less weight and less thickness your hand grip will be very amazing. So overall design is very amazing, and it is water resistance design. So in this price range this design is justifiable. Guys, now we are going to discuss display of Moto G53. Here you will find 6.5 inches HD resolution IPS LCD panel, but now this time this resolution is downgraded because previous model you will find OLED panel, but now there is HD resolution and only IPS LCD panel. But in form of refresh rate you will find upgrade over here, because here you will find 120Hz refresh rate instead of 90Hz. So overall display is downgraded from the previous model, but you can say in this price range it is justifiable. Guys, let's talk about performance of smartphone. Here you will find Android 13 out of the box and clean UI that is very famous in Moto smartphone. So you will not find any extra app in this user interface. And about chipset you will find Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset that is based on 8nm technology, and it is upgrade of 480 chipset that was launched in 2021. With that, here is 2.2 GHz clock speed, and for gaming you will find Adreno 619 graphics as well. And if we are going to talk about RAM and ROM, you will find 4, 6 and 8GB RAM option, and about storage maximum option is 128GB only. Now we are going to discuss important part of smartphone, that is camera, but here again you will find downgrade as well as compared to the previous model. Here is no ultra wide camera, there is only dual camera. Main camera is 50 megapixel and with that 2 megapixel macro lenses. And if we are going to talk about image quality, you will find very nice pictures and plenty of details and contrast and good dynamic range as well, but still there are some notable shortcomings as well, just like softness and grains in pictures as well. And about video recording, you can do only 1080p video recording on 30 fps. And if we are going to talk about the front camera, here you will find 8 megapixel selfie camera, and with that camera you can also record 1080p on 30 fps. And if we discuss battery of smartphone, here you will find 5000 mAh battery with that 10 watt fast charging support as well, but this 10 watt is also downgrade as compared to previous model. In previous model G52 there was 30 watt fast charging support, but now here is only 10 watt fast charge. Now we are going to conclude our review. Here you will find good battery life, build quality as well, good stereo speaker, Android 13 and a clean UI experience as well. But with that you will find only HD display, there is no full HD display, and charging speed is also very low, and there is no ultra wide camera as well. So in this price range you can check out Redmi Note 12 and Moto G82 as well, in which you will find AMOLED display as well. So if you like this video, please press the like button, otherwise press the dislike button, and don't forget to subscribe the